Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you a very easy and a quick and a traditional recipe of a chicken korma which I just prepared in 40 minutes. So I'm using a very famous Shan Korma spice packet. So let's begin with the recipe. Heat a pan and take 1 cup of oil and add 2 large sliced onions. I will fry them until they are golden brown. So once they are lightly golden brown, I will take them out from the oil and I will put them on the paper towel or on the plate to let them dry. I'll use the same pot and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a ginger garlic. Now I am adding 1 kg chicken and you will need to fry it until it is golden. You can also prepare this recipe with beef or mutton. However, that would requires more time to fry and cook. Now I'll add Shan Korma spices and I will fry my chicken with these spices. I'm also sharing the link on the top of the chicken korma which I prepared with the homemade spices. You should also give it a try. It is so delicious. Now take 1.5 cup of yogurt and beat it first and then add it into the chicken. Keep frying the chicken with the yogurt until it is well mixed, and then I will add some water, almost like 1 or 1.5 cup as per your requirement, and you can add it and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes with the covered lid on a medium flame. While my chicken is cooking, in the meantime, I will crush my fried onion, and you can use a chopper or you can use your hands or mortar and pestle for crushing the onion. We don't want to make it paste, we just want to have a crushed onion. So 10 minutes is almost passed and you can see that my chicken is almost done and the oil has also come on the top. Now I will add that crushed onion. So you can see it's not powdered, it's crushed. Now I will mix it properly and I will keep it or let it simmer again for like 10 to 15 minutes with the covered lid on the medium flame. Shan has made our life so easier, and this delicious korma can be served with the fresh naans. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel for more by hitting the bell button, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. I'll see you next time with another easy and tasty video. Take care. Bye bye.